Welcome to the new video. In today's video I want to show you how to make attendance sheet in MS Excel program. So like this, if I tap here 1 1 0 0 1, so look at that. So everything is going to be counting here. So right now this is our attendance sheet. How can we make this? It means like such a formula or attendance sheet in Excel. Let's guys, I have here, it's a format. So just I want to apply it. First you should design your attendance sheet, and after this you should select all the cells, and after this you should click on conditional formatting, and after this click on the new role, and after that come here format style, and also select icon sets. And after that here icon style, you should click here and select crossing right, and also check it show only icon. And after that under the type you should click here and select the number, and also under the value you should write here 1, and after this you should change the percent to the 0.5, and after this you should click here. And after that we should use a formula here. It is like is equal, and also count F, and also you should start the brackets, and also parentheses you should select the range. After this our criteria, in just only this formula should count only 1 here. So this is our criteria. Then you should press enter, and also click here and double click there to copy down these all. It means the formula. And after this right now I want to write here 1 1 0 0 0 1 as you wish. Just you should write here, do you know, only the person who is present, so it is going to be counting here. Like for example 0 0 0 0 only 1 0. Look at that. So by this technique you can easily make attendance sheet in Excel. Thank you for watching.